Quantum mechanics. It's a term that sounds incredibly complex, like something out of Star Trek. But at its core, quantum mechanics is simply the study of how things work at the smallest level. Imagine a world far tinier than even an atom. This is the realm of quantum mechanics, where energy, light, and matter behave in strange and unexpected ways. Unlike our everyday experiences, the rules of classical physics break down in this subatomic world. Here, particles can be in multiple places at once, they can exist as both particles and waves, and they can even be instantaneously connected across vast distances. Classical physics, the physics of Newton and Galileo, governs the macroscopic world we experience. Apples fall from trees, planets orbit stars, and sound travels as waves. These phenomena are predictable and easily explained by classical laws. But as we venture into the quantum realm, these familiar laws lose their grip. Instead, we encounter a world dominated by probabilities and uncertainties. The act of observation itself influences the behavior of quantum particles, blurring the line between observer and observed. One of the most mind-bending concepts in quantum mechanics is wave-particle duality. Imagine a beam of light. Sometimes it acts like a wave, spreading out like ripples in a pond. Other times it behaves like a stream of particles, like tiny bullets of energy called photons. Another bizarre phenomenon is superposition. Think of a coin spinning in the air. Before it lands, it exists in a superposition of both heads and tails simultaneously. Quantum particles can exist in similar superpositions of states, holding multiple possibilities at once. Finally, we have entanglement. Imagine two coins flipping in perfect unison, always landing on the same side no matter how far apart they are. Entangled particles exhibit this same spooky connection, their fates intertwined even across vast distances. Quantum mechanics may seem like an abstract realm of theoretical physics, but its implications are far-reaching. Our modern world is built on technologies that rely on quantum phenomena. Lasers, transistors, and even medical imaging techniques like MRI all owe their existence to our understanding of the quantum world. And the future holds even more potential, with quantum computers promising to revolutionize fields like medicine, material science, and artificial intelligence.